This quarter opened with Latin America reacting to an unprecedented U.S. military intervention in Venezuela, and it closed with governments recalibrating around Trump's war in Iran. What's notable is how quickly alignment has followed. Trump's approach, while forceful and erratic, has landed more effectively than anticipated. Across the region, leaders are following suit, and so is industry. A growing pro-Western bias is influencing investment decisions, particularly in energy and mining. In Venezuela, Delcy Rodriguez has adapted pragmatically to Washington's demands. And in Mexico, the takedown of cartel leader El Mencho was a carefully calculated signal of cooperation ahead of this summer's USMCA review and a soccer World Cup. Brazil is deepening critical minerals cooperation with the US, even as Lula faces mounting economic pressure and a polarized election. Argentina has gone the furthest. Milei is fully aligned with Trump, locking in trade and investment ties while relying heavily on US political and financial backing. However, this alignment with Washington is not creating opportunities evenly across the region. In Argentina, for example, reform momentum is colliding with inflation, unemployment, and weak growth. In Brazil, political risk is intensifying as the Lula-Bolsonaro divide deepens, compounded by external shocks from the Iran war. Mexico is opening selectively to private capital, but execution remains uncertain. Canada is stable, but navigating growing frictions with both Washington and Beijing. In frontier markets like Guyana and Suriname, energy-led growth is accelerating, but so are governance and execution risks. The through line is clear. Alignment with Washington is opening up some opportunities, but it's also concentrating risk.